Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my cocktail video series. Today I'm going to be using Dorado 12-year-old Demerara Rum to make a Queens Park Swizzle. Start by filling a Collins glass with crushed ice. Now you want to make sure this glass has a nice big capacity because this one's got a lot of rum in it. So it's got a triple shot. So using my slim jigger, I'm going to add 3 ounces, 90 mils of rum. Oh, that's that's beautiful. It smells nice and rich, caramel-like flavours to it. Now to that glass, use my citrus press and add 22.5 mils of fresh lime juice, which is almost going to be a whole lime, depending on the size of the lime, of course. And I'm also going to add the spent lime, or half the spent lime, into my drink. And to balance out that sourness of the lime juice, I'm going to add 30 mils of sugar. So this is just 1:1. If you do have Demerara sugar syrup, then you can use that. If you have 2:1 sugar syrup, use half as much, obviously. And I'm just going to top this with a tiny bit more ice. And you just want to swizzle this. So you want to keep on stirring until you get ice starting to frost up on the outside of the glass. So make sure the drink's nice and diluted, considering that it's got 3 shots of rum in it. Make it nice and cold. So now I can see some of the frost forming on the outside of the glass. And to finish it off, add a nice healthy sprig of mint. And a few dashes of bitters, probably 3 dashes, say. And there you have a Queens Park Swizzle.